अपनी आन पर हर मुश्किल आसान करेंगे, अपनी जान कुर्बान करेंगे, हमको राजी है, एक एक हमको राजी है, हम राजी है, राजी है, हम वीर सिपाही हैं, राजी है, राजी है, हम वीर सिपाही हैं, चट्टानों से हम न डरेंगे, तूफानों से हम न डरेंगे, हमको राजी है, एक एक हमको राजी है, तररम पम पम तररम पम तररम पम 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 तररम पम पम तररम पम पम तररम पम 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 तररम पम तररम पम तररम पम 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 तररम तररम पम तररम पम 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 पम.
Let me first pay my tribute to the great two heroes of Odisha and India, Veer Surendra Sai and Subhash Chandra Bose. On this occasion, I welcome our esteemed principal of DAV Higher Secondary School, Mr. Nishikant Kar, who is always with us as a coach. This is the day in which we learn lot many things from these great two heroes. If we'll go back to the history, open the pages, we'll find one hero is from the western part of Odisha, another hero is from the eastern part of Odisha. But the ideologies are same and the work was different. Both of them are nationalist revolutionary leaders. All this came to an end in the year 1858, just after the Sipai Mutiny. It came to an end and total scenario was under the control of Britishers because the conspiracy, some of the family members, his own servant, conspired to catch him, to hand over him to the Britishers. So all this came to an end in the year 1858. Until then, from that date up to his last breath, the total movement was seized by the Britishers. Just after the death of Surendra Sai in the year 1884, another again great hero took birth in eastern part of Odisha.
रेभेन्सा कॉलेजिएट स्कूल से मैट्रिक पास कले समग्र ओडिशा रे से 2 स्थान अधिकार कले कलिकतार प्रेसिडेंट कॉलेज रे पाठ पढ़ारे बीए पास परे आईसीएम परीक्षा रे से चतुर्थ स्थान अधिकार.
Personalities. One is Subhash Chandra Bose ji and another is Veer Surendra Sai ji. I am here going to highlight on Veer Surendra Sai ji. Veer Surendra Sai, the immortal lion of Orissa, born in 1809, was descended from Madhukar Sai and
पूजनीय सभापति महोदय, सम्मानीय आजिर उपस्थित पूज्य गुरुजी गुरुमा वृंद एवं शुभाकांक्षी मोर सहपाठी और सहपाठिनी माने आज हेउची विप्लवी सुरेंद्र साय जयंती जहांक पाई आज आमे धन्य और गर्व अनुभव करुछे. तांको निस्वार्थपर सेवा और उत्सर्गीकृत जीवन को स्मृतिचारण करबा पई एही सभार आयोजन. मु एही शुभ जन्म जयंती रे सही बरेण्य महापुरुषक विषय रे कहिबार किछि सुजोग पाइथिबारु निजकु धन्य और गौरव मने करुछि. आज आम विद्यालय रे सही अम्लान प्रतिभा सुरेंद्र साय को जन्म जयंती पालित हेउछि. 1809 जनवरी 23 तारिख दिन वीर सुरेंद्र साय को जन्म. से थिले ताको पितामातांकर ज्येष्ठ पुत्र. तांको पितांका नाम थिला धरम सिंह और मातांका नाम थिला रेवती देवी. 1857 रे भारत माटी रे मुंड टेकिला सिपाही विद्रोह. सिपाही अणसिपाही समस्ते माती गले इंग्रज विरुद्ध रे. कलिकता, मीरठ, दिल्ली, आग्रा, झांसी समेत ओडिशार संबलपुर रे मध्ये निया जळी उठिला. संबलपुर वीर हीराखंड छत्रपति सुरेंद्र साय इंग्रजंकु धमक देले जे यथाशीघ्र ओडिशा छाड़. सुरेंद्रंकु इंग्रज डाकुथिले.
आदरणीय प्रधान शिक्षक महोदय, यहाँ उपस्थित मेरे सभी गुरुजनों और मेरे छोटे बड़े भाई और बहनों, मैं प्रतिपर्णा आप लोगों के समक्ष आज हमारे भारत के दो महान वीरों के जयंती पर उनके बारे में अपना विचार प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ। आज भारत माता के दो महान वीर सुपुत्र सुभाष चंद्र बोस और सुरेंद्र साय जी की जयंती है। उन लोगों के वीरता को कभी हम भुलाया नहीं जा सकता। मेरे पास एक लक्ष्य है जिसे मुझे हर हाल में पूरा करना है। मेरा जन्म उसी के लिए हुआ है। मुझे नैतिक धाराओं में नहीं बहना है। ये था सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी का वाणी। तो सर्वप्रथम मैं सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी के बारे में कहना चाहूँगी। तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा का नारा देने वाले सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी का जन्म 23 जनवरी 1897 में कटक ओडिशा में हुआ था। वे एक स्वतंत्र सेनानी थे। 1943
वक्तव्य समस्तଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଶିକ୍ଷଣୀୟ ହୋଇ ରହିବ। India is calling, Lord is calling to Lord. Get up, we have no time to lose. Take up your arms. The road to Delhi is the road to freedom. Chalo Delhi. Now may I request
वो खून कहो किस मतलब का जिसमें उबाल का नाम नहीं। वो खून कहो किस मतलब का जिसमें उबाल का नाम नहीं। वो खून कहो किस मतलब का आ सके देश के काम नहीं। वो खून कहो किस मतलब का जिसमें जीवन न रवानी है, जो परबस होकर बहता है वो खून नहीं पानी है। उस दिन लोगों ने सही सही खून की कीमत पहचानी थी। उस दिन लोगों ने सही सही खून की कीमत पहचानी थी। जिस दिन सुभाष ने बर्मा में मांगी उनसे कुर्बानी थी। जिस दिन सुभाष ने बर्मा में मांगी उनसे कुर्बानी थी। बोले स्वतंत्रता की खातिर बलिदान तुम्हें करना होगा। बोले स्वतंत्रता की खातिर बलिदान तुम्हें करना होगा। तुम बहुत जी चुके जग में, तुम बहुत जी चुके जग में, लेकिन आगे मरना होगा, लेकिन आगे मरना होगा। आजादी के चरणों में जो जयमल चढ़ाई जाएगी, वह सुने तुम्हारे शीशों के फूलों से गूंथी जाएगी। नंगे सर झोला जाता है, यूं कहते कहते वक्त की आंखों में खून उतर आया। मुक्त रक्त बन वो दमक उठा, दमकी उनकी रक्तिम काया। अजानू बाहु ऊंची करके, अजानू बाहु ऊंची करके वो बोले रक्त मुझे देना। वो बोले रक्त मुझे देना, उसके बदले भारत की आजादी तुम मुझसे लेना। हो गई सभा में
ଠାରୁ ଏବେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପ୍ରଧାନ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ସାରଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ମୋର ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ବହୁତ କିଛି ଏଇ ଦୁଇ ବରେଣ୍ୟ ଗିରଫ କରି ଆସିଫଗଡ଼ ଜେଲକୁ ପଠାଇଥିଲେ। ଏହି ଜେଲରେ 1884 ମସିହା ଫେବୃଆରୀ 28 ତାରିଖରେ ସେ ଶେଷ ନିଶ୍ୱାସ ତ୍ୟାଗ କରିଥିଲେ। ଜୀବନର 36 ବର୍ଷ କାଳ ତାଙ୍କର ବନ୍ଦୀ ଭାବରେ କଟିଥିଲା। ତାଙ୍କର ବୀରତ୍ୱ, ପରାକ୍ରମ ଏବଂ ପ୍ରବଳ ଜନ ସମର୍ଥନ ଯୋଗୁଁ ସେ ସମସ୍ତ ଓଡ଼ିଆବାସୀଙ୍କ ହୃଦୟରେ ଚିରସ୍ମରଣୀୟ ହୋଇ ରହିଥିଲେ। ଅନ୍ୟ ଜଣେ ବରପୁତ୍ର ହେଲେ ନେତାଜୀ ସୁଭାଷ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ବୋଷ। ଆଜି ତାଙ୍କର 125ତମ ଜନ୍ମ ଜୟନ୍ତୀ। ଭାରତ ସରକାର ଚଳିତ ବର୍ଷର ଏହି ଦିବସଟିକୁ ପରାକ୍ରମ ଦିବସ ରୂପେ ପାଳିବା ପାଇଁ ଘୋଷଣା କରିଛନ୍ତି। ନେତାଜୀ ସୁଭାଷ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ବୋଷଙ୍କ ଜନ୍ମ 1897 ମସିହା ଜାନୁଆରୀ ମାସ ଆଜିର ଦିନରେ ଐତିହାସିକ କଟକ ନଗରୀରେ ହୋଇଥିଲା। ସୁଭାଷଙ୍କ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ ଶିକ୍ଷା କଟକ ସ୍ଥିତ ରେଭେନ୍ସା କଲେଜ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ହୋଇଥିଲା। ଏହି ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ପ୍ରଧାନ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ବେଣୀ ମାଧବଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ସେ ପ୍ରଭାବିତ ହୋଇଥିଲେ। ମାନବ କଲ୍ୟାଣରେ ନିଜକୁ ନିୟୋଜିତ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବେଣୀ ମାଧବ ହିଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଉପଦେଶ ଦେଇଥିଲେ। ସୁଭାଷଙ୍କ ପିତାଙ୍କର ଇଚ୍ଛା ଥିଲା ସୁଭାଷ ଉଚ୍ଚ ଶିକ୍ଷା ପାଇ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ପ୍ରଶାସନରେ ଯୋଗ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ପିତାଙ୍କର ଇଚ୍ଛାକୁ ସମ୍ମାନ ଦେଇ କଲିକତାର ସ୍କଟିଶ କଲେଜରେ ସେ ଭର୍ତ୍ତି ହୋଇଥିଲେ। ଛାତ୍ରାବସ୍ଥାରୁ ସେ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ବିବେକାନନ୍ଦଙ୍କ ଆଦର୍ଶରେ ଦେଶ
Germany and India in Berlin. On the same day, as coincidence, Surendra Shah is in some way similar to Napoleon Bonaparte because Napoleon Bonaparte was the product and child of the French Revolution of 1789, whereas the latter was the child of historic mutiny 1857. It is the blood alone that we can achieve freedom was the philosophy of Netaji Subhash Bose. He felt that it is our country and without blood nothing can be possible. He believed in tit for tat policy in contradiction to the philosophy of Gandhi, whose non-violence was the instrument to fetch freedom to the nation. Subhash Bose's unflinching patriotism and his clarion call to the nation for freedom and his accurate a global leader, whereas Surendra Shah was a leader of the local, who thought about the revolution, about the leadership, about the justice to the people. He felt that it is our right that the underprivileged should get. So, Subhash Bose, who was the founder of Indian National Congress and Indian National Army and Azad Hind Fauj, was a
So this school, TT High School, is celebrating in a grand manner. I must congratulate the authority of the institution as well as all the teachers and students, because you have given chance to the students, many more students, to give speeches, and you have given students also to take part in different competitions or taken part in Odisha. I myself and all of us, we are very proud of giving birth to the two giants, to two great heroes of the nation. So thanks to the people of that days, those who were witnessed of these two leaders, thanks to them, because the values what Subhash Chandra Bose carried and given the name Netaji because of the people, the parents of the Subhash Chandra Bose. The values they have inculcated within him, and as a result, so whatever the Subhash Chandra Bose, the figure, the national figure we are seeing in our eye, and 125 years past celebration we are celebrating, and we will be celebrating, and our next generation will celebrate, next generation will celebrate, and it will carry on like anything. It is because of the people, the parents of him, and the Cuttack people particularly, the way, because the child generally after taken birth, the child earns or gets some values, moral values from their parents, from the nearby society, from the friends. So these friends, parents, and the society of that time, definitely the credit goes to them also. So likely in the case of Biraj Sundar Sai, he also taken birth in the king family. So his parvarish bolte hain Hindi mein. So and Subhash Chandra Bose livelihood will be definitely different, but both.
And most honorable parents and guardians, and my dear colleagues and all the staff members. So I feel extremely privileged to extend the vote of thanks on this auspicious day. We have come to the end of this program, but this is not the end of the program, rather it is a continuous action which we have to inculcate in our heart. But they also have left many legends of patriotism, saga of bravery, courage, dynamic leadership, and above all, greatest dedication and devotion for the motherland and her countless children. So definitely we owe them our customary homage. But at the same time, we should not forget that we must try to imbibe and inculcate their sublime qualities within us. And it will be the most befitting tributes to these dauntless heroes. However, we have tried our level best to observe and organize this auspicious program with all earnestness, and we do pledge to fulfill these lofty ideals. It not only charmed us but also inculcated a feeling of patriotism within our spirit. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to our speaker, Mr. P.C. Bhatta sir, who also spoke so many things on this great